Hello and welcome. My name is Brittany, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel for a Mac in order to create a basic column chart, stat column chart, and a pie chart. Column chart is one of the most useful charts because it facilitates all comparison-based analysis, while a pie chart is used to show the percentage each slice of the pie represents of the total chart value. So first, we're going to begin creating our basic column chart, and then we're going to move on to our stat column chart. So for this particular example, we are using data gathered throughout the year 2014, which is representing the amount of new nurses and traveling nurses who attended nursing orientation each month. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is select the data that we want to put into our chart. So for here, we're going to start from A3, and we're going to drag and go all the way to M6. So then we're going to go ahead and go to Insert, Chart, and we're going to want to insert a cluster column. So now we have our basic column chart. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a few more features to this. So in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and go to View, and we're going to want to select our formatting palette. And then on this, we're going to go ahead and add a title. So we're going to go under Chart Options, Titles, and Chart Title. For this, we're going to go ahead and name it Nursing New Hires for the year 2014. Then we're going to go ahead and add another title to the horizontal axis. So we're going to go back to Titles, the horizontal axis, and for this one, we're going to go ahead and name it Months. So now we're going to add our vertical axis. So go back to Titles, select Vertical Axis, and on here, we're just going to title it New Hires. So now we've completed our basic column chart. There are a few more features that we can add to this to make it a little bit better. So in this particular instance, we're going to add data labels, which will help us to clarify information presented in the graph. So for this, we're going to add a data label to easily identify the total number of new hires per month. So go ahead and click on the green bar, and then you're going to right-click, and we're going to add data labels. So now here we can clearly identify the total number of nurses who attended new hire orientation per month. So now that we have this, we're going to create our stat column chart. We're just going to use the current chart that we have, and we're just going to go ahead and change it. So we're going to go up to the charts, and we're going to change it to a stat column chart. So there you have it. You have your basic stat column chart. So for this particular information, this chart is the most useful as it more easily displays the number of new hires and how many people consist of each category of new hires, whether they are traveling nurses or staff. So on here in the red we can see this is traveling nurses, the blue is the staff, and then with this one we can easily see that there was less staff members, more traveling nurses, and then this is the total number of them combined. So now that we have this, we're going to go ahead and move on to creating our pie chart. So for our pie chart, we're going to use information that's demonstrating the amount of attendees during a mock code course during the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter of the year. So we're going to select the information that we want to create our pie chart with, and we're going to go to Insert, Chart. We're going to go under here, select Pie, and we're going to do the basic pie chart. So now we have our basic information. So for this, we're going to add data labels to make it easier to see the amount of attendees per quarter. So you're going to click on the pie and add data labels. And there we are. And if we also want to change the style, we don't like the look of it, you can go to your formatting palette, select Chart Style, and you can click through and change the style until you find something that you like. This one's a little bit better because it has a 3D effect, but if we want, we can even do one with a black background. Just whatever you think would be best fitting for your needs. And then that's it. So it's really easy using Excel to create charts and graphs, and it helps you turn your data into meaningful and useful information. And this information is great to show comparisons, and it's perfect for demonstrating yearly performances in annual reports. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below, or if you're currently on my website, click on the contact link and send me a message.